Good afternoon. Welcome to the Maldives. Only joking, we're in sunny rain. And welcome back to our YouTube channel, and we'll be doing a walk around video this afternoon on this lovely lightning blue 1 litre EcoSport. This particular one is the ST line model. It's in lightning blue and we have the black decals around it as well. So I'll just scoot round the front bumper to begin with. And the first point to note is we've got your LED daytime running lights, black theme grille with a matchy black roof and black mirror covers. As I make our way around to the offside front wheel to begin with, 18-inch machine alloy wheels with Pirelli tyres in absolutely immaculate condition. Vehicle's only done just under 7,000 miles now, so you've got thousands of miles of happy motoring remaining on those tyres. As we're at the driver's door now, again heated and power folding mirrors with the black covers. Really does complement the lightning blue just perfectly. Actually, it's blue lightning, my apologies. Anyway, so as we can see, the Maldives sunshine hit the body. You can just see the quality and condition of all the panels around the vehicle. Previously glass features around the rear to and back window. And we'll have a little look at the near side. Again, very nice condition bodywork. Pirelli's all the way around. Okay, let's have a little look in the boot. So the little sales point for these EcoSports is it's got an actual tailgate that opens in a non-conventional way. So it's more of a tailgate, quite literally. We have a generously sized boot with a multi-level floor in there as well, so you can adjust the flooring. And the idea of that is when you put the seats down nice and flat, you've got the flat entry all the way along. Why don't I demonstrate that, you ask? Let me. Fold the seat down, and again, so it gives you a nice flat entry all the way along. Okie dokie, let's shut that up. Also worth noting, rear vision camera and rear parking sensors along the bottom left there. Take a look in the rear of the vehicle now. Let's just pop that seat back up. Oops. There we are. So you've got your part leather, part cloth, really nice stitching, red stitching all the way around the rear seats. It's got a 12-volt socket in there as well, keeping everyone nice and charged up. 2 ISO fixings feature on both of the outer seats. All your window controls, 4 electric windows in this vehicle, electrically controlled mirrors as well, so they can all be adjusted through here as well, and obviously some safety locks for the kiddies in the back, and your interior locking is also found on the door handle. As we get to the driver's seat now, again, the part leather cloth continues with a glorious red stitching. Manually adjusted seat there, but lots of different functions to get yourself nice and comfortable. On our light control switch, we have the automatic function, which will automatically turn your lights on using that clever little light sensor just there. Okay, right, let's get, using the keyless engine stop-start button, let's get a bit of power on the go. Okay, just turn the air conditioning down slightly. Okay, so we have a Sync 3 module here. It's all navigated at the bottom of the screen via audio, phone, navigation and mobile apps. Fully compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so whichever platform you do use, it's fully compatible on that screen. So with the use for data cable, plugging in just down there, you can fully mirror your phone onto this screen here. A lovely little feature. A few little settings there for all of your audio and previous and next song, and we've got a button to turn the screen off. Just below that here, we have all your heating, ventilation and air conditioning controls. The digital display for the temperature, so you know accurately what temperature to turn up or down to. The winter pack is featured with the heated front seats, heated front screen and heated steering wheel. Keep your hands nice and warm in the winter. 2 USBs down there for charging, and that is about it for buttons. We do have one to turn on or off the automated stop-start and one for the traction control as well. Coming back now, we can see your 6-speed manual gearbox with a nice chrome finisher on the top and a manual handbrake. If we look to the centre cluster now, we can see your RPM gauge on the left hand side and your your speedo on the right. Just below it, we've got your engine coolant temperature and fuel gauge as well. And using these buttons here, other side, apologies, we can cycle through the menu and see trip computers, see a little bit of media, your navigation settings on there as well. So yeah, you can flick through that. And you've also got a few driver assistance options in this vehicle, such as hill start assist and rear park pilot. And whilst that's reminded me, if I pop the vehicle into reverse, you can see a nice reversing camera, and your parking sensors are featured to the right hand side of the screen. So it's a proximity sensor that's going to beep, and it's going to give you a little colour band to let you know how far away you are from objects. As I'm turning the wheel as well, you've got your park assist, so it'll help you get in and out of any spaces you require. So that's about it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I better put it into neutral before I stall the vehicle. Thank you for watching the video. If you give us a call on 01376 550 899, I'm happy to answer any questions you may have about the vehicle. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.